Modern embedded products require hardware that can handle demanding workloads, together with software that simplifies bringing Android to embedded devices, from development to long-term device management. Let's explore how the Ezurio Nitrogen95 Evaluation Kit and the Kynetics Embedded Android Developer Toolkit work together to simplify the development and deployment of embedded Android devices. The hardware foundation is the Nitrogen95 SMARC Evaluation Kit, built around the NXP-IMX95 processor family. It combines the Nitrogen95 SMARC module, a universal carrier board, a 7-inch display, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and access to a wide range of industrial and embedded interfaces. With dedicated AI acceleration, advanced camera interfaces, 4K video processing, high-speed Ethernet, USB connectivity, and extensive hardware expansion capabilities, the kit provides a powerful and flexible foundation for building embedded Android products. Kynetics brings the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit to the Nitrogen95 Evaluation Kit, providing the software layer needed to build, deploy, and manage Android-based embedded products. The toolkit is organized around 3 core components: a development-ready embedded Android operating system, an embedded SDK that extends the standard Android SDK with direct access to hardware interfaces from familiar Android development environments, an update factory for over-the-air updates, device management, rollout control, and remote deployment automation. Let's begin with the operating system. The operating system includes a guided installer designed to make setup fast, reliable, and straightforward. During installation, the installer automatically flashes and verifies each software component, ensuring the platform is correctly configured and ready for use. Once installation is complete, the Kynetics Embedded Android Launcher provides immediate access to system tools, sample applications, and configuration utilities. Among them, the built-in hardware testing applications allow developers to quickly validate hardware interfaces, input and output controls, and connectivity, confirming that the board, the operating system, and connected hardware are working together seamlessly. Let's move to the Embedded Android SDK. To see how it works, let's explore 2 common hardware interfaces, CAN bus and RS-232. The Embedded SDK extends the standard Android SDK by providing access to hardware interfaces that are normally unavailable through the default Android framework. This allows Android applications to interact directly with physical hardware using familiar Android development tools. In the CAN bus example, the application can send and receive CAN messages, enabling Android software to communicate with controllers, sensors, and other devices commonly used in industrial and embedded systems. In the RS-232 example, the application can exchange serial data with an external device through a standard serial connection. This allows Android software to communicate with industrial equipment, sensors, controllers, medical devices, or other embedded systems that still rely on reliable point-to-point serial communication. The final component is Update Factory. Update Factory provides a centralized web interface for secure over-the-air updates, device management, remote deployment, and troubleshooting. In this section, we demonstrate several common workflows for managing embedded Android devices in the field. The first workflow is an operating system update. A new Android system image is assigned to the target device and delivered securely over the air. The device then downloads, installs, and applies the update, bringing the system to the latest software version. The next workflow is application deployment. With Update Factory, Android applications can be remotely installed or updated on the device, making it easier to maintain software across deployed products without direct physical access. The third workflow demonstrates a device configuration update, or DCU, which allows device settings to be managed remotely. In this demonstration, we remotely disable Bluetooth on the target device, showing how configuration changes can be applied without modifying the operating system or installed applications. Once the update is applied, Bluetooth is automatically disabled on the device. Finally, Update Factory supports secure remote debugging for troubleshooting devices in real time. Engineers can remotely view and interact with the device, collect live Android logs, inspect system properties and configuration, analyze system behavior, and generate diagnostic reports, all without physically accessing the hardware. Together, the Nitrogen95 Evaluation Kit and the Kynetics Embedded Android Developer Toolkit provide the hardware and software foundation for building, deploying, and managing embedded Android products from evaluation to production. Contact us to learn more about our embedded Android solutions and how the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit can support your next product.